Hi, my name is Kelvin Fan, and I would also like to introduce the other group members, Mile and Joe Wong. We also would like to thank Dr. Rosalind Wang for giving us the opportunity to present our machine learning project to this event. This presentation highlights the analysis and predictions our machine learning models made in regards to the topic, sentiments, and the popularity of news articles in a dataset from UCI Machine Learning Repository. This dataset consists of around 100,000 news items in an 8-month period between 2015 and 16 from social media platforms Google+, LinkedIn, and Facebook. In order for our models to read data that consisted of text, we used a variety of natural language processing techniques such as TF-IDF, Word2Vec, and Doc2Vec. The topic variable has a range of 4 values: economy, Microsoft, Obama, and Palestine. Since the title column in the dataset was similar to the headline column, we decided to feed only the headline column into our word cloud and classifier models. We first needed to pre-process and clean up the text values, and the steps to do this included changing all characters to lowercase, removing stop words and punctuations, and lemmatization. After this, we constructed a word cloud to visualize which words were most common within each topic. We then constructed classifier models such as multinomial naive Bayes, decision tree classifier, and neural networks to make predictions on the topic of each news article in our dataset. Here we can see that 3 of our models were really good at predicting what the topic is for most of the news articles. I will now hand over the presentation to me.
Thanks, Calvin. In this headline sentiment prediction section, we use 3 feature engineering techniques: TF-IDF with feature selection, IDF weighted Word2Vec, Doc2Vec, and 2 regression models: ridge regression, lasso regression. First, the plot here shows the mean sentiment scores of headlines and titles by topics. The mean scores are lowest for Palestine topic, then economy, Obama, and Microsoft. Except for the titles from Microsoft topic, the sentiments of others tend to be negative. Next, from the model's performance summaries, we see that based on the RMSE, the ridge regression model and the Doc2Vec technique produce the best result. However, we note that for all these models, the predicted values deviate about 5 times from the true values on average in the test data. So, we can conclude that these words embedding techniques and regression models do not predict the headline sentiment score effectively. Now I'll pass the next section to my teammate Cho.
Thank you, Mi. In this session, we'll build a few models to predict the popularities of the news. This is a plot of the frequency distribution of the popularity scores. Instead of predicting the exact scores, we put the popularity scores into 3 levels: low, moderate, and high, and then predict the level of popularity. After the dimensionality reduction, we built 3 models: support vector machine, random forest, and k-nearest neighbor. You can see that the random forest has an accuracy of 88%, which is the best. Voting classifier is not a statistical model by itself. It's just a voting system to consult other models to make prediction. Despite that, it performs not very well. It is because it averages out the good prediction of the random forest with worst predictions of the other 2 models. This is all from us. Thank you very much for your attention.